All right, and with our pure pumpkin, I'm gonna add 1 box of spiced cake mix right into our bowl. Oh, this cake mix smells so incredible. It is just the essence of fall. Now I'm gonna bring my spoon and we are gonna give this a mix until we get a delicious batter. Now, what's so great about using this pure pumpkin is that you do not need eggs, you do not need water, and you do not need oil. You just need 1 can of our pure pumpkin and 1 box of cake mix to make a super delicious and yummy fall treat. Now I'm using the spiced cake mix because I think it's just so perfect with pumpkin, but you can use this with any cake mix. So go wild, you guys. But let's go ahead and get this to the consistency we want. All right, and this is the consistency we're looking for. It's a little bit thicker than an average cake batter, but it is gonna be delicious. So we're gonna move this to the side and we are going to grab our jumbo muffin tin and some butter pan because you gotta make sure to spray your pan. All right, and once that is well greased, we are gonna grab our ice cream scoop and we're gonna scoop our batter right into our muffin tin, just like this, just like a scoop of ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the best fall time treat that you've ever had, but we're not done yet. We have something extra delicious we're going to add that I know you guys are gonna love. I'm gonna evenly distribute my batter into my muffin tin, just like so. Perfect. All right. Now for my favorite part, you guys know it, the Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. And I'm gonna grab my cookie scoop and we are gonna add a scoop of our cheesecake right on top of our pumpkin muffins. So these are 3-ingredient pumpkin cheesecake muffins. Ooh. Yes, you heard that right. The essence of fall. You don't need to go to Starbucks in the morning. You can just make these and have the most delicious breakfast you've never had before. Oh my gosh. All right, and I'm just gonna grab a spatula and kind of just flatten these out best we can so that it's not just lumps of our batter here and there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Okay, almost done. And then we're ready for the best fall treat ever. All right, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna bake for about 35 minutes. All right, you guys, look how incredible these look. So I did put a toothpick in them to make sure that they were fully done and it came out clean. So it is time to pop one of our delicious pumpkin cheesecake muffins. Okay, which one should we go for?
This one.
All right. Oh my gosh.
They're perfect.
Look how incredible that looks. All right, let's cut.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Oh yeah, looks so good. All right, it's time to give this a try. I'm so excited.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, that is so good, you guys. You have to try them right now.